related to division. Okay, it is related to division now. And remember, if you talk about division, we have already done the concept like minus divided by plus. You will get the answer in minus only. Okay, if any number is there which is in minus and which is divided by a number which is positive, so minus and plus which you will get it again negative only. The same thing if you have any positive number and which is divided by any negative number, or you can call it integer, the answer which you will get it again in negative only. So remember, minus and plus you will get it minus, or plus and minus also you will get it minus only. Okay, now let's move on to the different one. If any number is negative and that is divided by any other number which is again negative, the answer will come in positive. Like minus minus you will get it plus. So remember, these are three conditions which are majorly used, and one more which is plus divided by plus. So you are knowing if all positive, you will get the answer in positive only. So remember, please learn these three main concept 1, 2, and 3. Fourth one, which is understood only, which we are doing it always. So that is not needed so much, but these three are important. That is minus plus minus, plus minus minus, or minus minus plus. Okay, so these are three main basic concepts which you should know for division. Otherwise, the rest, all the things are same as you did do it in the previous classes. Okay, so let's begin one question related to it first, and then I will discuss some more questions which I will give it to you first, and then I will solve. So to suppose first question which I am giving you, which is again divide only. Suppose the question is minus 36 divided by 4. Now you can see, if it is minus 36 and this is 4, first you think that you don't have division. सबसे पहले ये अज्यूम करिए कि आपके पास डिवीजन है ही नहीं, ठीक है, डिवीजन है ही नहीं, और अगर डिवीजन नहीं है so you have only 36 which is divided by 4, and you are knowing 36 divided by 4 which will give you answer 9, because 9 4s are 36, and now you are knowing it was a negative number, it is divided by a positive number, so the answer will come in negative. That will give you minus 9. So you can write it down over here, minus 9. Suppose question number 1 का एक और देते हैं. For example, our question is minus 12 divided by minus 6. Now what will be the answer? Now if this question is again the similar one only, it is 12. This is divided by 6, and you are knowing 12 divided by 6, you will get it only 2. And as you all can see, this is a negative number divided by another negative number. So divided and negative number divided by negative number only, you will get it positive plus. And a positive, that is plus 2. So you can write it down plus 2 over here, or you can only leave it 2. That both will be fine. Now suppose I am giving you different question. It is suppose 13 divided by minus 13. What will be the answer? Now you are knowing the same number divided by the same number again gives you the answer only 1, because if a number is the same and the division sign is there and you are dividing that particular number by the same number itself, so remember the answer will be always 1. As you all can see, this is positive and this is divided by a negative 1. So positive divided by a negative 1, the answer will be again negative only. So the answer will be minus 1 in this case. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Please reply yes or no in the chat box. Yes, if you remember, I gave you few questions on which the first question was that 45 divided by minus 15. So if you are knowing 45 divided by minus 15, one is positive, one is negative. So the sign will be of negative overall here. and 15 threes are 45. So the first answer which will be minus 3. Yes?
Both are negative in the chat.
Acha, okay, sorry. So then it will be minus 45 divided by minus 15. So both are negative. So here it will be negative divided by negative, which will give you positive. So the answer would be here only plus 3. No negative sign there. I thought it was negative. So the first answer is 3 only. The second one which I gave you was minus 15 divided by 3. So minus 15, 1 is negative divided by a positive number, and you are knowing 3 fives are 15. So if 3 fives are 15, it will give you here the answer minus 5. Now the third one is minus 12 divided by 0. So if it will be, you are knowing if any number divided by 0, which will give you not defined, because no number cannot be divided by 0. Number cannot be divided by 0. So here the answer will be not defined. Now minus 2, which will give you positive 2 divided by minus 1. So it will be giving you 2 divided by minus 1, which is 1 positive, 1 negative, which will give you the answer in negative only, and the answer will remain minus 2. The last one, fifth one, sorry, which will be minus 24 divided by minus 4. So when you will solve it, it will give you minus 24 divided by minus, it will give you plus, so that will be plus 4. So minus 24 divided by only 4, which will give you minus 6, because one was positive, one was negative. Now last one, the answer which will be, it was 0 divided by a number. 0 divided by what was there?
Minus 12.
0 divided by minus 12. So it will be 0 divided by minus will give you plus. So it will be 0 divided by plus 12, which will give you 0 only, because 0 divided by any number, either it is positive or negative, the answer will remain 0 only. So in this question, if you will see, here we are having division and also we have the bracket. So first we will solve the bracket before we do the division. So here it will be 13 will remain 13 only, division sign will remain division sign only. Now minus 2 and plus 1, when you will solve it in the form of addition or subtraction, you will only get it minus 1, because minus 2 plus 1, they will add or subtract, which will give you here minus 1 only. Now 13 divided by minus 1, the answer will remain minus 13, because any number divided by 1, the answer will come the same number only, and one was positive, one was negative, so the answer will be in negative form. Now if I will take one more question which is just similar like this, so it is minus 6 plus 5, then divided by minus 2 plus 1, the bracket 1 is also given. Now here also we have two brackets, so first we will solve that. This is minus 6, this is plus 5, which will give you minus 1, then divided by, will remain divided by, then minus 2 plus 1, which is again one positive, one negative. So it will also give you answer in negative only. So now this is minus 1 divided by minus 1. So you are doing negative divided by negative, which will give you the answer in positive. And also 1 divided by 1, or any number, same number divided by the same number, answer comes 1 only. So here the answer will be positive 1. Now this is completed. This is question number 1, which is done now. So in question number 3, it is telling us to do the fill in the blanks. Okay? The first one is 369 divided by blank. Answer is 369 only. Now you are knowing you have to fill a blank in such a way that the number which is divided here, by which number you divide any number, you get the same number, that is only 1. And one more thing, why positive 1? Because, or you can tell only 1, why? Because you are getting the same sign over here. So positive divided by positive, only that time positive will come. So here the answer will be positive 1. Now coming to the second one, minus 75 divided by which number to get it minus 1? Here the answer will be only 75 because you want minus 1 in the answer. So remember, in the second option, your answer will be only 75. Only 75. ठीक है? The first one will be positive 1. Second one is 75 only. Yes. Now move on to C. Minus 206 divided by which number to get it positive 1? So that is the same number only because you are getting the, okay? All the fill in the blanks are done in division only. The first one answer we have already written all the numbers. So please kindly see that question number 3.
And A1 will be
Which?
A1 will be 1.
Wait, Shrishti. So Shrishti is telling question number 3 answers of fill in the blanks, which is discussed by me only. So please listen carefully and match your answers by Shrishti. Shrishti, start beta.
A1 will be 1. B will be 75. C will be minus 206. D will be minus 1. E will be minus 87. F will be minus 48. G will be minus 10. And H will be minus 12.
Now we are discussing question number 2 of exercise 1.4, which is telling us that you have to verify A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B, then plus A divided by C. Now, as you all know, this is distributive property only. See, we have done it Chandu Mangu Samosa Chutney, but you always remember because this place where it is showing division sign, we have done it multiplication. Okay, remember why we have done it only multiplication? Because this property is not true for division. Now, let us prove it that why it is not true. And you can see here the values are given here. A is equals to 12, B is equals to minus 4, and C is equal to only 2. These are the three values which are given and you have to prove. So what we will do with that? We will put these values which is written over here, we will put in this also and we will put the same thing here also. So दोनों जगह पर हम put करेंगे and after that we will see that whether both the sides are coming equal or not. ठीक है? So this is one side, so we will take it, this is LHS, that is left hand side, and another side will be RHS. RHS मतलब right hand side. And remember beta, if left hand side will come equal to right hand side, it means you will verify this. But हमें क्या verify करना है कि यहाँ पर दोनों equal नहीं आएंगे, तो हमको ये दिखाना है कि they are coming equal or not. Now let us see. First we are doing LHS, that is left hand side. So A means 12 divided by B. B means minus 4 plus C. C means 2. I have placed only the values which was written over here. So this is written over here. Now moving on to the next RHS. A divided by B मतलब 12 divided by 4 written over here. Now plus, so plus. Now A is again 12 divided by, sorry, this was minus 2. Now move on to the next one, 12 divided by 2. I have written over here. Now let us solve this. It is telling 12, so 12 will remain like this only because before we solve division, we will solve the bracket. Now minus 4 plus 2, जब आप solve करेंगे, you will get it only minus 2. Because minus 4 plus 2 which will give you minus 2 only. Now see this, 12 divided by 2 which will give you 6 because 2 6 are 12 and plus divided by minus which will give you minus only. It means we are getting Now let us move on to the another side. 12 divided by 4, because 4 3s are 12, so here you will get it only 3, and 1 was positive, 1 was negative, so here it will be minus 3. Okay, 12 divided by 4, which will give you minus 3. Now plus. Now 12 divided by 2. So it will give you 2 6 are 12. So you will get it 6. 12 divided by 2, which will give you here 6. Now minus 3 plus 6. Answer is only coming 3. Now see, this side it is coming minus 6. This side coming it is 3 only. Remember it is this property. अगर इस प्रॉपर्टी में डिवीजन की जगह पर बेटा मल्टीप्लिकेशन आता तो ये आंसर सही आता. हमने वेरीफाई किया है उसमें. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पे डिवीजन की जगह मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता तो ये सही आता. बट चूंकि ये डिवीजन है एंड डिवीजन के लिए ये प्रॉपर्टी होती ही नहीं है, सो इसका आंसर तो वेरीफाई होना ही नहीं था, है ना. सो इफ इट इज कमिंग दिस ओनली नॉट इक्वल टू, इट मींस नॉट इक्वल टू. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So hence it is verified. Verified मतलब क्वेश्चन में बता रहा था कि ये नहीं आएगा इक्वल और लास्ट में नहीं आया इक्वल. It means it is correct. Understood?